Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. We're taking a look at Casper real quick. We're going to do a quick morning update here for Casper cryptocurrency. It's the 28th of June. It's Wednesday. Casper's currently down once again 2.76%. So far, we do not have a new lower low for this basing structure here. So still our major low for this is the 15th of June, although we are approaching. We also didn't undercut the 20th of June low. Today's low looks like it was 385. The 20th was 383, and then 379 over on the 15th. So a little bit of a wedge here. So here's one of the scenarios I see playing out is we undercut. So we either rally today. I call it a rally, but not really. We at least rally back up above 395 so far. That support held yesterday, but today we're below it, and we close above 395. That would be good. That would probably buy us some time, and that could lead to a rally in the coming days. But so far today, we have lower lows for the day below yesterday's low. So if this plays out and we start to make new lows, as in undercut the 20th and or undercut the 15th, there's a good chance we're heading down to the next target down there, which is at 370 right in here. Somewhere within that 370, potentially down to like 361 is our next stopping points. If that fails, there's a good chance you're heading back down to where these lows are, which is 334. That would take a big break in the market to do that, but we'll see what happens. Markets are not as down as not down as much as they were in early morning hours. So that is what I see. Two scenarios. We either start to rally higher today and close above 395. That would be good. And then we'll see where the next candle, tomorrow's candle opens, or we start to trend lower again, and then it's down to that 370, 65, 63, 61. And then if that fails, it's down to 334. So on a percentage basis, that takes us basically down another 4 to call it 6.5%, 7%. That's basically our first stopping point, is basically 4 to 7% lower is potential area of support. And like I said, if those fails, the 334 takes you down about 13%. So 4 to 13%, pretty big range, but first off, you'll start at that 4% range. And then if the market closes above 395, call it like 397, you're basically going to be 2.5% or so higher than where we're currently at, which is, according to this chart, trading at 388. So we'll see. Definitely been, this has a similar look right here. So we traded down, kind of chopped around, found resistance, started to test that level at 466, and then ultimately that broke. So if we look at what's going on right now, traded down, chopping around, we got resistance at 415, and potentially we're getting that break lower right here. We just don't know where it will stop. We just have to use the lines on the chart. So above the market, like I said, is 395. Below the market, next level is 370. So this move might not be over. There should be a decent amount of support, anywhere in between, like I said, 370 and 334. We've seen that support in the past in this range. So we'll see what happens here for Casper. If we take a look over at Bitcoin, Bitcoin is pulling back today. It's only down 1.31%, according to this Coinbase data here, but we are holding pretty strong at the $30,000 level. We have a couple areas right there, basically where the market topped out back in April. We have rallied up, pulled back to it. So this could just be a very short-term pullback, which is obviously dragging the rest of the markets down. Bitcoin starts to rally from here. We're heading up to 34,000 once we break that 31.5 level, and that should, if that plays out, that will help something like Casper stop moving lower and potentially find support at one of these ranges and start to move higher. But so far, looks like this move lower, not quite done yet. Might be heading down to that 370 or so area. All right, guys, that's my thoughts on Casper. So far, it's a pretty smooth and steady trend lower. You know, no crazy pull the plug waterfall move. Although you could see something like that as well. You know, you get a big break and a big candle, and then you get a big wick, and it closes actually pretty strong. Just a thought. Guys, welcome to the channel. If you were not yet joined, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Join us, hit that thumbs up. Introduce yourself down in the comments. Let me know your thoughts on Casper and the rest of the market. Head over and watch our XRP video. I talked about a couple different scenarios, bullish and quite bearish scenarios potentially playing out. You guys have a great Wednesday. I'll catch you in the next video.